Sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's a scientific reality rooted in how ecosystems function, how resources regenerate, and how human activity impacts the natural balance. Every decision we make, from what we eat to how we power our homes, has ripple effects across the planet. Understanding the science behind sustainability helps us see the direct connection between everyday actions and the future health of Earth. At its core, sustainability is about maintaining the delicate equilibrium that allows life to thrive. Ecosystems are intricate webs where species, climate, soil, and water are all interconnected. Disrupting one part of the system can lead to unexpected and often catastrophic consequences elsewhere. For example, deforestation not only destroys habitats but also releases massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, accelerating climate change. One of the most urgent scientific findings is the link between greenhouse gas emissions and global warming. Burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas releases carbon dioxide and methane, gases that trap heat in the atmosphere. As the planet warms, glaciers melt, sea levels rise, weather patterns shift, and biodiversity suffers. Scientists use climate models to predict future scenarios based on current trends, and the message is clear: without significant changes in behavior, the consequences will be severe and irreversible. Resource depletion is another critical area where science informs sustainability. Non-renewable resources like fossil fuels, minerals, and even fresh water are being consumed at alarming rates. Scientists study the rates of consumption versus natural replenishment and consistently warn that many resources are being used faster than they can regenerate. This leads to scarcity, conflicts, and long-term environmental degradation. Biodiversity loss is equally alarming. Scientists estimate that species are going extinct at a rate 1,000 times higher than natural background rates, primarily due to human activities such as habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change. Biodiversity isn't just about saving exotic animals, it's vital for ecosystem services like pollination, water purification, and soil health, all crucial for human survival. Waste management science also plays a major role. Landfills and oceans are overflowing with plastic and other non-biodegradable materials. Microplastics have been found in the deepest parts of the ocean and even in the air we breathe. Recycling, composting, and reducing single-use plastics are scientifically supported strategies to curb pollution and protect ecosystems. Energy consumption patterns have been closely studied to develop sustainable alternatives. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power offer ways to meet our energy needs without emitting greenhouse gases. Transitioning to these technologies is not just a moral choice, scientific research shows it's a practical necessity for reducing carbon footprints and slowing climate change. Water usage is another area where science drives sustainable practices. Over-extraction of groundwater, pollution of freshwater supplies, and inefficient irrigation methods have created water crises in many regions. Scientists advocate for sustainable water management practices like rainwater harvesting, desalination technologies, and precision agriculture to ensure long-term availability. Ultimately, sustainability is about aligning human systems with natural systems. Scientific studies consistently show that sustainable farming practices, green building designs, reforestation projects, and conservation initiatives are effective in promoting long-term ecological balance. Sustainability isn't just about preserving nature for its own sake, it's about securing a future where humanity can continue to prosper without exhausting the very resources that support life. Understanding the science behind sustainability empowers individuals, communities, and governments to make informed choices. It shows us that change is not only possible but necessary. Every action, big or small, matters. Whether it's reducing energy consumption, choosing sustainable products, or supporting environmental policies, each step brings us closer to a future where people and the planet thrive together.